Welcome to our presentation on SEO best practices for blog posts with Austintatious design. Today, we'll explore essential techniques to enhance your content's visibility and engagement, ensuring it reaches the right audience effectively. Let's get started with how SEO can transform your content strategy. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial strategy that enhances your website's visibility in search engine results. By optimizing your content with targeted keywords, engaging titles, and relevant links, you increase the likelihood of reaching your intended audience. This leads to more organic traffic, which is essential for any digital marketing strategy. Firstly, understanding your audience is crucial. Identify their needs, preferences, and the challenges they face. This knowledge allows you to tailor your content to address their specific questions, making each post both relevant and valuable. Effective keyword research is foundational in SEO. Utilize tools like Ahrefs. Uncover high-volume keywords that your audience is searching for. This step ensures your content is discoverable and meets the exact needs of your readers. Long-tail keywords are your secret weapon. They target niche topics with less competition and higher conversion potential. For example, dietary advice post-bariatric surgery targets specific audience needs, enhancing the relevance of your content. Placing keywords strategically throughout your content is key. Include them in your titles, subtitles, and the first paragraphs to signal relevance to search engines and help boost your content's visibility in search results. Expand your content's reach by using synonyms and LSI keywords. These related terms help search engines understand the context of your posts, improving your content's chances of ranking for related searches. When it comes to content, size does matter. Longer posts, typically between 1,000 and 2,000 words, allow for in-depth exploration of topics, which improves engagement and search engine rankings. Keep your content readable and accessible. Use clear language, short paragraphs, and subheadings to make your posts easy to scan and understand. Tools like the Hemingway editor can help maintain a high readability score. Capture your audience's attention right from the start. Use engaging hooks, such as questions or compelling facts, to pique interest and encourage readers to continue exploring the full article. Visual aids like images, videos, and infographics can significantly enhance your content's appeal and understanding. They also keep readers engaged longer, which can positively impact your SEO performance. Storytelling can transform your content. Incorporate real-life examples, anecdotes, or customer stories to connect emotionally with your readers and make complex topics more relatable and memorable. Produce content that people want to share. Focus on creating unique, insightful, and practical tips that provide value, thereby increasing the likelihood of your content being circulated among wider audiences. Every post should guide readers on what to do next. Use clear and specific calls to action, like download our guide or join our community, to convert readers into active participants or customers. Organize your content into clusters focused around your core topics. This not only boosts your site's SEO, but also positions you as an authority, making your site a go-to resource for specific topics. Directly address common questions in your blog posts. Use tools like Answer the Public to find what your audience is asking online and craft content that provides clear and authoritative answers. Keep your content fresh and up to date. Regularly revisit and update your posts to reflect the latest research, trends, and data, which can help maintain or improve your search engine rankings. Always prioritize your users' needs. Create content that solves their problems, answers their questions, and enriches their knowledge, ensuring each piece of content you produce is both useful and engaging. Diversify the types of content you offer. From how-tos and guides to videos and podcasts, varying your content types can attract and engage a broader audience. Engage your audience with interactive content. Elements like quizzes, polls, and interactive infographics can significantly enhance user engagement and provide valuable insights into your audience's preferences. Encourage feedback to foster community around your content. Integrating systems like Discuss allows you to engage directly with readers, gather feedback, and adapt your content strategy based on real user insights. Thank you for joining today's session on SEO best practices for blog posts. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only improve your site's SEO performance, but also create content that resonates deeply with your audience. Are there any questions?